What's up, everybody? Okay, today we're doing an on-location shoot. We're doing headshots at a corporate company today, so we are packing up everything and we're going to get ready to go and do this shoot for the company. So I'm going to take you guys along with me for as much as I can, but right now I have to take everything down in the studio, pack it up so we can go to the location for today. So you can watch me do that and come along. Here we go. What's up, everybody? We just got everything packed in. I totally forgot to record us packing everything into the car, but everything is packed back there. You can sort of see everything. John's helping me out. John's helping me out today.
What's up, everybody? It's about to be a great day.
Yes, sir. It's about to be a great day. So we're headed to the location for the shoot. So hopefully we find parking. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on because this thing is doing that, and I need to put it on. But yeah, headed to the location now, so. Okay, we are about to load in. We just got off the elevator. And walk down. Oh, somebody in there. Okay, we are setting up. I'll let you guys be a fly on the wall. So this is the light setup we have today. We got a reflector here, umbrella light overhead as the key light, and then we have this light over here, which is a large 7-foot umbrella as a field light to light up the backdrop. We marked off the back where they're standing. So they're standing there. It's marked off, so all I have to do is just walk into a box. We have this area marked off, so just in case we move it, we can put it back to the same space. And my Apple Box area is marked off as well. And that is my setup here. And that's just an extra light, so don't need to pay attention to that. So what I did was mark off the areas of where they will be standing. I marked off that area. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'll go ahead and and then marked off where I'm standing. And then they give an idea. Okay, we're getting close to getting done. I think we have 2 people left, and then we gotta do the group shot, and we'll be done for the rest of the day. I'll probably insert some behind the scenes later on, so you can see what's happening. Okay guys, the shoot is wrapped and we're packing up. We're about to go be done and go back to the studio, set up. We done and we out of here. And we dealt with the fumes. That's why we had to open the windows. But we out of here. Peace.